Oh.
There are 3 main seasons that sees Igbo people return in mass to their various villages. 1 is during Christmas season, 2 is during traditional festival seasons, and 3 is during Easter season. All other activities like traditional marriage, burial, coronation, chieftaincy title taking, village general meeting and launching mostly fall within these 3 main festive seasons of Igbo mass return. Last December, I took a trip to my village to spend the Christmas with my people. But before I share with you all how life was like in the village within the few weeks I was there, let me first tell you a little about my village. I consider it the most beautiful village in Africa and the world at large. If you disagree with me, well, now you sabi. But you must tell me in the comment section what makes you think your own village is more beautiful than mine. I hail from a village called Ugbo. Ugbo is a hilltop community located in Awgu Local Government Area of Enugu State. Enugu State, which literally means hilltop, is located in southeastern part of Nigeria. Of course, we are ethnically Igbos. That is the tribe we belong to. Ugbo has one of the most breathtaking topography and naturally endowed with waterfalls, lakes, streams. But that is not the best part of Ugbo. The best part of Ugbo is her people and the bond they share. Just like many other Igbo villages across Nigeria, Ugbo live a very communal lifestyle. But there is this uniqueness to Ugbo communalism that other villages around them envy so much. On the 22nd of December, we left for the village, and the ride home was so smooth. Because our village wasn't that far from Enugu City, we left in the evening, unlike 2 years ago that I traveled from Abuja to the village and spent the whole day on the road. We arrived the village at night. After settling down, I went out to greet some of my uncles. The next morning, I went down to Ngene, to my friend's place where I spent most of my time during the festive season, while my own part of the village is Oyibo, His own part is known as Ngene. As the first set of people to come back in the family, we had to do some cleanup, tidy up the compound while we wait for the other members of the family who are yet to come back. By 24th of December, many people had all returned to the village, and there were lots of merriment in every corner of the village. People drinking and eating and having a good time, connecting with their family, cousins, and relatives. There were a whole lot of activities during the season. While some of these activities were mandatory, like the village meeting, the age grade meeting, and the Omona meeting, that is the extended family meeting, these activities were mandatory and carries a fine for those that did not attend. Others aren't, but are necessary, like the wedding, burial, chieftaincy title taking, among others.
Thank you. Come on back. Yeah. Okay, same here.
Nico. Genunti. Wagajanunti. Domo papa no gana. Domo kulo gana. Take on. Ndio gana.
The best part of coming to the village, especially during festive seasons, is that it gives you the opportunity to do some of the things you usually don't do while in the city, or eat the things you hardly eat or see in the city. Hang out with old friends and reconnect with your childhood friends. Make new friends, connect with your cousins and family members.
You know, you are a young one.
Enjoy nature at its best. Go to the stream and take a bath. All the time I was in the village, I never saw the need to take my bath at home. It was usually in the stream and it was so chilling and relaxing. There are boreholes, wells, and streams everywhere. You just have to choose where and how you want to make your own memories while in the village. You can also go to the forest to fetch some firewood. if you so wish. By August this year, we will be celebrating the biggest traditional festival not just in Ugbo, but in Igbo land, known as Awgu Festival in Ugbo. The Awgu, which literally means cloth wearing, is a rite of passage ceremony where young men from the village between the age of 20 to 23 years old will be initiated into manhood and officially recognized as men in the village. I am officially inviting you all to this great festival. Do you enjoy village life? What is life like in your own village? And when last did you visit your village? Let's discuss in the comment section. After the wonderful memories I made in the village during Christmas, I didn't feel like leaving the village again, but I had to. Till I visit again. Take care and don't forget to share, like, and hit the subscribe button if you are yet to do so. See you next time.